There is one question: can you add a watermark to your Canva design? Well, the answer is yes. Although Canva doesn't have a native or built-in feature to add a watermark, you can still create your own watermark in Canva. It could be a text, it could be an image or a logo for your company, and you can slap that into your design. So let me show you how you can add one. So I'm going to add a simple text watermark, and please keep in mind that this method can be applied to an image as well. So if you have a logo, you can use that to be used as a watermark on your design in Canva. With that said, I'm going to visit text and I'm going to add some simple text. Let's say this is going to be top secret, and I'm going to change the font to Times New Roman. Okay. And after that, I'm going to change the color to be red. I recommend using a solid color like maybe black, white, red, or blue. Basically, you have to consider the color or the background of the document as well. You want to make sure that the letter or the watermark in this case is visible. And after that, I'm going to make the text a little bit bigger. And of course, I have the option to rotate the watermark this way. So this is just a style that I often used for watermarking. And after that, you want to adjust the transparency, because oftentimes watermark is not 100% visible. It's a bit transparent. To add some transparency, you can go to this transparency menu and you want to reduce it to around 30 to 40%. I think that is the sweet spot in my opinion, but of course you can select any level that you want. And after that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to visit position, and I'm going to navigate layers, and you can see this is the layers in my document. There are a lot of elements right here, and generally speaking, watermark is located at the very back. You can also put it at the very top, it's okay, but generally speaking, it is positioned at the very back. So I'm going to click on this menu for this particular watermark and click layer, click send to back. So yeah, this is almost at the very back, but I don't know why it's not positioned at the very back for some reason. But don't worry, we can still adjust the position manually. So it is precisely on top of the background, and it is behind of everything else. So this method can be applied to a logo, to an image as well. For example, if I put maybe a top secret image, like maybe this stamp, I could use it, I could apply it right here. Maybe I'm going to adjust transparency to 30%, and of course we can adjust the position of this particular design. It's somewhere here, so I'm going to right click, layer, and send to back. So that's basically it. Another thing that I do recommend is to lock this design. So if you are still working on a document and you don't want to accidentally mess with the watermark, you can select the watermark, and then you can click on lock position only, and then you can click lock again. So basically this element is not going to be accidentally moved or modified when you're working on a document. So for example, if I click here, no matter what I do, it's not going to change anything. I cannot do anything until I unlock that element. So that's a very important thing to do after you add the watermark. So anyway, that's how you can do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you on the next video.